Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete or restore WordPress website within WordPress. By the way, my name is htaccess and in first scenario we will delete everything apart plugins and themes with the restore option availability, and in the other scenario we'll be deleting everything with no backup option. Alternatively, always make a copy before you process any restoration if you want to have an old copy. You should see a link if you want extra information how to do it somewhere up here. Before you begin, please remember, anything can go wrong and you can lose your data. So make sure you have a copy, and let's begin. In this example, I created one website which one have blog, WooCommerce, about us page, some products and posts. If we're going to WordPress dashboard, you can see I have everything, some posts, some media, products, and so on. So the easiest way to do is to go to the plugins and add new, and then search for WP Reset. After first plugin WP Reset Most Advanced, I'm gonna install. After installation, activate, dismiss this one, and then go to the tools and go to the WP Reset. And here what we have with the free version, site reset, as you can see. With the pro version you have a more option, but you can do it then with free. If you wanna, you just going down and you can pick what you wanna. You can reactivate WP Reset plugin after reset, or you can just disable. You just go here and press reset and reset site. If you're playing about and you're not sure, you can create the snapshot first. So before resetting the site, create the snapshot, and that's gonna be create the WordPress snapshot where you can come and restore. And I'm gonna reset WordPress. I already rated. You deserve it already at all. I just gonna press this one, and you can see we have completely empty WordPress. Is no post, is just one. As always, hello world pages. We have two, privacy and sample page. Media, we have left no any images. Appearance, we are using visit site, the simple WordPress first theme. Going back to the WordPress, going to the plugins, you can see we still have a plugins. And if I'm going to the appearance themes, we still have a plenty themes. If I'm going to the tools and to the WP Reset, and then I going to the snapshot, you can see I have created snapshot 2 minutes ago. And let's say something went wrong and you want to restore the delete part. I'm gonna go and restore snapshot or undo. And then I'm gonna log in. I'm just gonna close. And now we're going visit site. You can see we are back on our site as was before. Is that not amazing? Let's have a look. What are the delete options we have? And then we're going to back to the WordPress dashboard, going to the W Reset and going to the tools. Let's say you want to delete only something, you can delete themes. So you can come here, delete themes, but then it's gonna be no undo action for this. Or delete plugins, gonna be no undo. Or clean up folders as well, gonna be no undo. You can have a look. Or if you need to empty custom tables, you can create snapshot and then delete or empty, or delete htaccess files. So you have a couple options. And before some actions, you can do snapshot or create the backup. And this time, let's delete everything completed, including plugins and themes with no backup option. Let's gonna come here. I just gonna reset again. And then I'm going back again, going to the tools, delete plugins, delete. Okay, and delete themes. If we're gonna go down about the WordPress visit site, it's going to be empty because we don't have any theme. We have to go back. We have to go to appearance. We have to go themes, and you see we have to add new theme. I'm going to install the 2022 WordPress default theme, activate. And then if you're going to visit site, you're going to have your default theme displaying. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna go to the plugins. As you can see, we just have one setting with WP Reset. After you finish, you can delete this plugin, so you just deactivate it and then select, pick, delete, and apply. Okay, and we don't have any post apart that standard one. No media, no pages, empty WordPress for the start. I would love to hear what you think about the content. Just drop the comment below and share your thoughts. If you get any benefits, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and bye bye to the next time.